Good day everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are still going to continue on our angle theorem series. Today we are going to focus on co-interior angles. Now, co-interior angles on the same side of a transversal add to 180 degrees. Another name for the co-interior angles, if you don't mind, is C angles, because they usually form a shape that looks like this, C. Alright, so now it therefore means that A plus B will add up to 180 degrees. That means angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degrees. Now let's go to our example. Now if you have this as A and this as 80 degrees, you are being asked to find A. We know that the angle A plus the angle B equals to 180 degrees. So if we are looking for angle A, it is equals to 180 minus 80 degrees. So angle A is equals to 100 degrees. Also, the second example, if we have this as 120 degrees and this is B, we are being asked to find B. You see, you're going to use the same method. The co-interior angles on the same side of a transversal add to 180 degrees. So we have 120 degrees plus B equals to 180 degrees. So B equals to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. So B equals to 180 minus 120 degrees will give us 60 degrees. Alright, we've come to the end of our lesson today on angle theorems. Our focus was on co-interior angles. So I hope you learned a lot. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting mathematics videos. Thank you.